Hi, welcome to Tech Learning. Today we are discussing about what is procedure and then example of procedures. Initially, what is procedure? Procedures are reusable object. You can create once, call the number of times. Inside the procedures, you can write the group of SQL statements. What is the SQL statements? Inserting, updating, deleting. These three operations we can write the inside the procedures. Procedures are can create once, call the number of times can create the procedure using SQL or JavaScript. So, we can discussing in this session like example of procedure without returning any value with the returning value, and then we can pass the input parameter inside the procedures. We can discuss these three example procedures. So, initially, first we need to create into the one table. How to create table? Create table name can pass the data types and then column names. Here column name is id and then data type is string, and then column name is name and then data type is string. Here, and then column name is string, data type is string. So I can execute this command. So here the table will created. So here I show the initially there is no data in table. So just here table is created. There is no data inside the table. You can see the here also. This is our database. Cloud is our database. Inside metadata is our schema, and then inside tables our customer table is created. And then here example initially procedures without returning any value. Here I create into the procedures. Create procedure name. My procedure name is prc underscore insert, and then return data type varchar. Language I using JavaScript. Execute as Scala, and then as within the dollars I can write the entire script SQL statement. So here I take the one variable MySQL command, and then write into the inserting operation. Insert into table name. I pass the three values, and then I take to the one more variable statement one. Snowflake dot create statement is our syntax, and then I given to the MySQL command. So finally I given to the statement one dot execute. Now I run to the this procedure. So here PRC insert procedure is successfully created. What is the command for once we create into the procedure? So show to the that procedure. So procedure means we can see the procedures, and then now that data inside the C1 RAM Hyderabad, this data is inserted to the table. There is no inserted in the table. We can see that. So why it will not inserted? So we can call the procedure once we are running to the execution command. We can call the procedure. Call procedure name. So call my what is my procedure name? PRC underscore insert. So I can now I run this command. So here now any value what is the our main procedure without returning any value? It will not return the value, but the data will inserted in table. We can see the here. So here data will inserted. So here data will inserted ID name and then city, and then you can execute the command is procedure syntax and then call the procedure name. Next procedure with returning value. Here same create procedure name is prc insert return. So here returning to the some value, return varchar, and then language javascript execute as Scala. Within the double dollars I write into the SQL statement inserting into customer values c2 ram second record ram Hyderabad. So varchar, yeah, I can use to the snowflake that create statement, and then execute statement execute method. So now I will run to the this syntax. So here procedure insert PRC insert return procedure will be created, and then you can select start from now second record will inserted. You can check that. So it will not inserted. Why? We are not calling to the procedure. So call procedure insert return. Now we can calling to the function procedure. So now we can success here returning to the I can pass to the return success. Here you can see to the return the value success. Now you can run to the your table. What is table name? Customer. Select start from table name. So here now you can see to the second record will inserted. This is this is the step for we can returning to the any value, and then using some input parameters like here I can take into the customer id, customer name, customer address, c2, and then ram Hyderabad. So I can given to the my command is called I can one variable my SQL command I can use to the here inserting operation, and then using to the snowflake create statement, and then returning to the success. Now I run to the this query. So function procedure insert input parameters is also created. So now data inserted C3 record not inserted. Why? We are not calling to the procedures. Once again, you can run to the procedure. Call procedure name. So now success return the value, and then we can pass to the input parameters here, and then so here C1, C2, C3. So C1 record is without returning any value. C2 record is with returning value, and then C3 is record for we are passing to the input parameter. This is the way of we can writing to the procedures with returning value, without returning value, and then input parameter. Thanks for watching.